Hey guys, welcome back to part 5 of this series, and in this part we are going to create our repository and view model. So for this, create a new Kotlin class file naming news repository and pass within its constructor news interface. So this is our news interface. We have to create a function naming get all news stream, and it will return live data actually. So it will return a live data which is consisting our paging data. Within this we have article. So just create a pager, import this thing, and within our pager we have to pass our config. So actually this is paging config, and within our paging config you can see here we have passed our page size. So in our case I choose page size 20, and our second is prefetch distance, so I choose 5. So prefetch distance is something, suppose in your page you have 20 items, and if you are on the 15th item, then what it will do, it will call the news paging source and collect the new data in order to show you in a recycler view. So that's the thing. And lastly we have placeholder. So you want to enable placeholder, you pass true. I don't want, so I choose false on it. Okay, so the other thing is our paging source factory. So our paging source factory is our news paging source, and within our news paging source we have to pass our news interface. Okay, now lastly I want this thing as a live data, so just make dot live data, so it will return a live data of that particular thing. So now we are able to create our get all news stream. It will return our live data which consists of paging data. Within this paging data we have article, a list of article actually. So now it's time to using our di modules, and by using this di modules we actually provides what we will provide. We provide our interface, so provide our repository, so repository, and within here we have to pass our news interface. It will return a news repository, yes, and lastly it return a news repository. So now I think you clear about this, why we use this module. Okay, so that's why we actually use this module and make this also a singleton. Okay, so now it's time to create our view model. Create a new uh, news view model actually. So news view model, and extend this thing with view model. So yes, view model, make a constructor. So constructor, and before this constructor add annotation view model inject, in order to inject this private val news repository. And lastly we have to create a variable of type list, which will actually live data of paging data having article in it, yes, and just initialize with this news repository get all news stream. Okay, so now our view model and repository will create successfully. Now it's time to create our recycler view in the layout of the news fragment and create a page data adapter. So we'll do these two parts in our next video. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in our next video. Thank you.